On June 21st, a pedestrian dies on I-92. The report states that the pedestrian was not on the crosswalk. The issue with the pedestrian not being on the crosswalk, even though the pedestrian may be at fault for not being on the crosswalk, if the driver had enough time to recognize the person crossing the street, the driver, the negligent driver, should have stopped. If they were speeding, if they were not paying attention, if there was other issues that were contributory to their negligence, the driver would still be at fault, even though the pedestrian was not on the sidewalk. Of course, that's not a total bar for the pedestrian. The pedestrian would be at fault. In this scenario, the pedestrian did die because of the negligence of another person. It's still being investigated. But the laws with the crosswalk doesn't necessarily negate the fact of the driver may have been speeding or the driver may have not been paying attention. So as the facts develop, we have to look at how the facts are being developed to figure out what's the full story. Now, if they were on the crosswalk and the light was on, and then it's a clear indication that the driver caused the accident because they weren't paying attention. If the pedestrian just walks out in front of the car, and then at that point the pedestrian would be at fault if the driver could not see or didn't have enough reasonable time to see that person walk out in front of them. If you have any questions on how liability works, every case is a little bit different, but I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you have any questions, just call the firm or send us a message. And the firm is 813-421-3411.